Hello everyone, especially to all teachers and students watching this video. Are you having problem coping up with arithmetic sequence? Well, here's a short presentation especially created for you. Today, we will learn together about arithmetic means and the end term of an arithmetic sequence. In this presentation, we will try to achieve the following objectives. First, define arithmetic sequence. Second, determine arithmetic means and the end term of an arithmetic sequence. And third, displays patience in dealing with arithmetic sequence.
My name is Richard S. Yunting, Teacher 1 from Quito High School. Before we start, let us try to recall on how to distinguish an arithmetic sequence from the other type of sequences, and how to determine the value of the common difference. In distinguishing arithmetic sequence from other type of sequences, remember that arithmetic sequence can be identified easily because each term of the sequence can be obtained by adding a constant value called the common difference. In determining the value of the common difference, simply subtract the first term from the second term, or that is a sub 2 minus a sub 1, or a sub 3 minus a sub 2, or maybe a sub 4 minus a sub 3, or that is a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. To determine the end term of an arithmetic sequence, we use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the end term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. If the first term and the common difference are known, it is easy to find any term in an arithmetic sequence. For example, find the seventh term of an arithmetic sequence whose terms are 7, 4, 1, and negative 2. The value of a sub 1 is equal to 7 since it is the first term, while the value of the common difference is negative 3. Since we are required to find the seventh term, then we have a sub 7 is equal to a sub 1 plus 7 minus 1 times d. A sub 7 is equal to 7, that is the value of our a sub 1, plus 6 times negative 3. A sub 7 is equal to 7 plus negative 18, and finally, we have a sub 7 is equal to negative 11. Then therefore, the seventh term of the sequence 7, 4, 1, and negative 2 is negative 11. Identifying arithmetic sequence is now much clearer to us. We will now move on with what is and how are we going to insert arithmetic means. Inserting terms between two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence is a common task in studying arithmetic sequences. The term or terms between these non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence are known as the arithmetic means. Example: insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 25. Since we are required to insert 4 terms, then there will be 6 terms in all. That is, where 5 is the value of our first term, and 25 is the value of our sixth term. We need to get the common difference using a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Using the formula, we have the equation a sub 6 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. By substitution, we have 25 is equal to 5 plus 6 minus 1 times d. Simplifying it further, we have 25 is equal to 5 plus 5d. Moreover, we have 20 is equal to 5d. Dividing both sides by 5, we have d is equal to 4. Therefore, the common difference is 4. Using the value of d, or the common difference, we can now get the values of the second term, the third term, the fourth, and the fifth term. Since d is equal to 4, then a sub 2 is 9, a sub 3 is 13, a sub 4 is 17, and a sub 5 is 21. The four arithmetic means between 5 and 25 are as follows: 9, 13, 17, and 21. Example number 2. Fill in the missing terms in the arithmetic sequence as follows. For our solution, let 9 be the value of our first term and negative 11 as the value of our a sub 5. The missing terms are a sub 3 and a sub 4. Solving for the common difference, we have a sub 2 minus a sub 1, that is 4 minus 9, and the common difference is equal to negative 5. Since we are looking for a sub 3 and a sub 4, given that 9 is the value of a sub 1 and the common difference is negative 5, this is the step-by-step process. The complete terms of the sequence are 9, 4, negative 1, negative 6, and negative 11. Now it's your turn. Solve the following problem. Got it? This is the representation of the total number of eggs laid per day. On Monday, there are 3 chickens, so there are 3 eggs. On the following day, Tuesday, all 5 chickens laid 1 egg each, so that's plus 5. On Wednesday, that becomes 13. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And for the Monday of the following week, the total number of eggs is equal to 38. Observe that the number of eggs form an arithmetic sequence. Where a sub 1 is 3 and the common difference is 5. For your evaluation, please answer the following multiple choice question. Write your answer in a 1/4 sheet of paper. For your additional activity, do the following. Take note, only learners who did not meet 80% in the evaluation or has a score of 3 and below will answer the given activity. Write your answer in a 1/2 sheet of clean paper. You may use the rubrics in rating learners' performance. For additional videos and tutorials, please visit the links below. Thanks for watching!
Ay, pwede na pala ikaw lumabas. Ang buhay ay parang isang malaking silid-aralan. Iba't ibang tao, pangarap at bisyo, yan ang totoo.